Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a car that's generating a lot of buzz, the 2025 Toyota Celica. After years of anticipation, Toyota has finally revived this legendary nameplate, and it's everything fans have been waiting for. Let's get into it. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Celica is its sleek and aggressive design. Toyota has clearly drawn inspiration from its iconic predecessors while infusing modern touches that make it stand out in today's market. The low stance, sharp lines, and aerodynamic features all contribute to a car that looks fast even when standing still. Under the hood, the 2025 Celica is expected to come with a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, pushing out around 300 horsepower. This is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, which will definitely please driving purists. The handling is sharp, and the car feels incredibly balanced, making it a joy to drive on twisty roads or the track. For those who prefer an automatic, a quick-shifting dual-clutch option will also be available. Inside, the Celica offers a driver-focused cockpit with all the modern tech you'd expect. The infotainment system is intuitive, with a large touchscreen, smartphone connectivity, and a premium sound system. The seats are supportive, and the materials used throughout the cabin are top-notch, offering a mix of comfort and sportiness. It's clear Toyota didn't just focus on performance but also on creating a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience. Now, let's talk about price. The 2025 Toyota Celica is expected to start around $35,000, making it a competitive option in the sports car market. Of course, with various trims and options, that price can go up, but even the base model offers a lot of value for the money. So, what do you think of the 2025 Toyota Celica? Is it the revival you were hoping for? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more car reviews and automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.